is back. Got Mix here and I got Luey here. So today we are going to be working on his ride. You can see it in the back here. Luey has the stock shock still on his ride, and we are now going to go to shock therapy. We got a brand new box here, shock therapy springs. We're gonna tune them up really good today. So, Luey, what are we doing?
Checking this shit up.
All right, check it out. So let's do the first thing. Let's see what we're at in the front. All right, we're gonna measure the front end here, see where we're at today, or currently.
Like 11.5 or so, close to 12. Making it back here, yeah, probably about around 12.
All right, so we'll call the front end 12. Dude, the back is bad. The rear is bad. That is low.
Fucking 10.
10. All right, and you've had the new springs put on?
Readjusted.
I thought they put new helper springs on.
Oh yeah, the top.
Yeah, so Luey has already taken this thing. He's already taken it in to have them put on new helper springs. And yeah, because that was a recall. And he's still sitting at 10 inches. That's ridiculous. Here's mine. I adjusted mine a while ago. I'm probably sitting around 16, 17 inches in the front, but I have 33-inch tires.
You're at about 17 and a half.
17 and a half. I'm actually a little too high. I probably really need to readjust them again. Well, we're at an angle. Yeah, that's not going to be right. But I'm at like close to 16 and a half, 17 on the back. Now, I haven't bought shock therapy springs yet. All I did was readjust mine. Apparently, the springs that come with the 4-seaters are a little bit better than the 2-seaters. So, all right, we're going to jump right into this. All right. So, first thing we did, we took off the bolt down here so we can swing that out. And then we got to take the bolt on top, and then we'll work on one shock at a time. All right, well, I hope I was recording before. I'm gonna probably have to check to see if I have anything recorded. This is the shock therapy springs. We got the fronts, lower uppers, rears, lower uppers. I mean, just that alone, you can see that's a dramatic difference in between the two.
These are the toys it comes with.
Yeah, those are the crap that it comes with. Yeah, this is gonna be a hell of an upgrade. I most likely will upgrade to shock therapy springs, but not yet. But that's what we're doing today. So, shock therapy, upgrade. We got everything pulled apart. All right, so we got one swapped out already. We're gonna put the top end in first.
So this guy goes facing this way, right?
Yes. Top end in first, and then we'll swing the bottom end in. We'll show you guys how we do it next. Please completely suggest that if you're gonna be working with these springs, to get a spring compressor. These guys are worth their weight in gold. So ours, we have a little foot pump. We're able to compress this thing enough where we can get the collar off. You can see the collar coming off. And then, go ahead and release it, Luey. So then when we release, when we release the pressure, just press hard. Boom. Makes it so much easier to do this. I originally tried to compress it with these, and they're garbage. It did not work at all. I was able to get the springs off, but I could not work with them. This compressor is worth its weight in gold. Now, I've modified mine. I've made it so that I could put different size shocks in here and spring setups. So you'll notice that these long bars are on here. The original version, just you can only adjust it to these collars on the bottom here. So I don't know, it's worth it in my opinion. I think the compressor cost me $100 and I don't feel like I'm gonna lose my hands. All right, so we've set the collar to 2.5 inches to the basically the top of the collar, and then we gotta put this guy on.
Dynamics is 2.25.
Yeah, Dynamics is 2.25. Luey has a premium, so his says 2.5. This says 5 inches. Yeah, I need a vise. I've thought about buying a vise too. Okay, this guy goes up here. It's the O-ring. Silent O-ring. All right, now we get to put everything back on. Therapy is upside down, so it's right side up when we finish. There's a little arrow on here, and I like to line up opposite of each other on the springs. Boom. The spring is done. All right. It's a pain in the butt to get this up in there.
Yeah, I'm just trying to line up the hole first and then push it from the correct side.
Yeah.